In a world of transitions, simple and clean beats the complex ones. This one is called Dolly Ramp Match Cut. It looks great and is very easy to make. Free version of Resolve, no fusion, no coloring, let's go. You need only 2 clips and you can use mine. Link is in the description. But recording them yourself is very easy and you can use your phone. You can do it anywhere, but locations with leading lines work very well. Set up in one place and start moving backwards when your subject approaches and goes past you. Keep your camera low to capture more scenery. The angle difference is very big. Do this twice in different locations, but make sure that you record at the same height, side, and make similar movements. In the edit page, select your clip, find a spot when you want the cut to happen, and cut your clip. Bring the other one closer and look for a frame which seems the closest to the last frame of your first clip. When you found it, cut it and bring the clips together. When clips change but seem similar, it's called a match cut. Time for the dolly zoom. Typically we'll do it in camera, zoom in while moving back, but editing works just fine. Select the first clip and in the inspector, add a keyframe for zoom at the moment when you start to move back. Keyframe zoom at the end too. The tricky part is to select such zoom value, which makes the clip zoom in at similar speed as your movement, so play around with it a little. This effect is called dolly zoom. Looks neat, right? But what about the second clip? For that clip, add zoom keyframes at the start and at the end. The first keyframe zoom value needs to be the exact as the previous clip's last keyframe zoom value, so just copy it. And do same thing as before. Find the sweet spot for the last keyframe's value so it matches the speed of your movement. Looks good, but we are going to make it better by doing some speed ramping. Right-click one of the clips and open retime control. Add a speed point at the end of the first clip. Now just push your clip in by holding the header and it will increase the speed. Do the same to the second clip, but add a speed point at the start and speed up the start of the clip. If you can record with higher FPS, do that. And instead of speeding up, slow down those exact parts of both clips by dragging the headers out. Both variants look good, so pick whichever you want. Open spline, select keyframes, mark all of them, and select ease in and out for both clips. Just be sure to select each clip for both groups of keyframes. It's that easy. Subscribe for more.